So these are the two things which are important for an individual. First is the education and second is the discipline. According to Albert Einstein, education is what remains with us when we forget what we have learnt in the school and college. That is what is education as per Albert Einstein. So that is Albert Einstein's definition of education. For this I give two instances. About this education. One is a story about a boy called Hanumantappa. There is a boy called Hanumantappa about whom Sudha Murthy ji has written an article in the newspaper. Do you know who is Sudha Murthy ji? Sudha Murthy ji? She is wife of Narayan Murthy ji, the founder of Infosys. She keeps writing lot of books. She keeps writing, in which she has written about one student by name Hanumantappa. Listen to it, because what is education, this story tells you. Hanumantappa was a ranker in 10th standard. He got 8th rank in the state of Karnataka. Karnataka lo abbaiki 8వ rank వచ్చింది 10th class lo. So his name appeared in the newspaper. Then the next day, the press reporters went and took his interview, what he is going to do after the 10th class. But this boy said, as I don't have money, I will not be doing further education. I will be going back to my village and I will be working in a small restaurant. This particular news item has caught the attention of Sudha Murthy ji. She said a boy who is 8th in the 10th class examination in the state of Karnataka, because of poverty he is unable to pursue his studies. She said, let me contribute to his further education. So she kept on sending money to that boy. In fact, she wrote a letter to that boy asking how much you need every month. She used to send 1800 rupees in one installments for 6 months. So because 300 per month, so she used to send 1800 at a time for the charges of 6 months. One day she receives a letter from Hanumantappa. So she starts reading. So the boy explains how he has been pursuing his studies. Along with the letter, she finds 600 rupees in that. 600 rupees. She was astonished to see 600 rupees in the letter, along with the letter. Then Hanumantappa writes an explanation for returning this 600 rupees. He says, because of summer vacation, my institution is going to be closed for 1 month. And 1 more month, I am going to stay in my village to attend to a small project work there. So these 2 months, I will be staying at my home, so that I will be staying at my home and my parents are going to look after. So I am returning this 600 rupees which you have sent, because I am not going to spend this 600 rupees because I am going to stay in my house. This is what is the story of Hanumantappa, what Sudha Murthy has explained. So I say, this is education. Not what you get as marks or what you get as grades or what you get as ranks. The character or the qualities displayed by Hanumantappa is the real education. So what India wants is children and youngsters with such educational qualities wherein it reflects their character in their life. So I see many people, because I was in the police force and I was investigating so many cases in which lot of people who have done degree, post-graduation and all, they are all indulging in committing economic crimes. Have they received education, real education? No. They have not received the real education, but they have become only literate. So always see the difference between literacy and education. The second one is discipline. As you said, education and discipline. Do you know the importance of the word discipline? I will tell you. Discipline, if you take and convert into numericals, let us convert discipline into numerical. So it is very simple. Converting a word into number is very, very simple. What you do is you take the word discipline and for each alphabet give the numerical number. That means in the alphabet you have 1 to 26. Like that you give digits or you give numbers to discipline. Then you sum it up. How much you get for discipline? You get 100. So if you get 100 marks in an examination, then you are called topper. And in life, if you have good discipline, you get 100 marks in your life. So these are the two things which are very, very important for an individual. Getting education, proper education, and developing proper discipline. These are the two things. Now I am going to ask you another question. Tell me another word. If you convert into number, it again gives you 100. Yes.
Attitude.
Yes, attitude is the word which again gives 100 marks to you. What's your name?
Himanshu.
Huh?
Himanshu.
कहाँ से आया?
Maharashtra.
महाराष्ट्र कुठला? कोणते गाव?
Chandrapur.
चंद्रपूर वरून आला. फार खुश. हे आमचा महाराष्ट्राचा माणूस आहे. Very nice. So the other word what the boy has said is attitude. So if you want 100 marks in your life, you need to have good discipline and good attitude. When we met Dr. Abdul Kalam ji, he gave a wonderful thing about attitude. What is attitude? When we asked them, he said, he has given two examples. The first one is how the bird eagle behaves when it starts raining. Suppose if it rains now, all the small birds, they are going to be very fearful because of the rain. So they all try to escape and try to hide themselves somewhere here and there. But if you see the bird eagle, what it does is, it goes above the clouds and it keeps flying there. So Abdul Kalam ji says, this is what is known as the attitude. So the first quality, what an youngster needs is discipline. The second one is attitude. This is the example. Abdul Kalam ji also used to tell us, people always say black is bad, but he says from the blackboard only, lot of youngsters, they learn lot many things. That's what he says, how you look at things. But black is good. That is what is the attitude of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. So these are the two examples he always used to give. Now the most important, another question I am going to ask you. Be ready. You tell me one sentence. This sentence is consisting of 3 words. This is a small sentence in English. English में एक छोटा सा sentence है, इसमें 3 शब्द है. There are 3 words in this sentence. एक वाक्यामध्ये 3 शब्द आहे. Suppose if you convert that sentence into numerical, again you get 100.
I love India.
वारे वा, शबाश. या इकडे या. म्हटलं तुमचं नाव काय म्हटलं रे? हिमांशु अगेन फ्रॉम चंद्रपुर महाराष्ट्र. इन्होंने बताया है कि what is the word sentence? I love India. If you write I love India and convert into number, how much you get? 100. So we have come to 2 points. One is about education, the other one is in the discipline. In the discipline again you have learned 2 things. What are the other 2? Attitude and I love India. So if you want to get 100 marks in your life, what should be your goals? First is you should have good discipline, you should have good attitude, and you should love the nation. Always you say I love India. बताओ एक बार और एक बार बताओ. आपके गांव में सुनना चाहिए कि हाँ अपना बच्चा नारा दे रहा है. Again you say yes. ऐसा जोश चाहिए స్టూడెంట్స్ में. We need this type of attitude. ఇటువంటి ఉత్సాహం పిల్లల్లో కావాలన్నమాట. Then India can achieve anything. Do you know when we got the last Nobel Prize? For the country? In the field of science, the last Nobel what we got was given to Sir C.V. Raman. It was in the year 1929. Now we are expecting some Nobel Prize. Who will get Nobel for India? There are so many noble people, there are so many students who are capable of getting Nobel Prize for India. We want you to concentrate on that. We want you to concentrate on that. Yes, very well done. Have you read the book Ignited Minds? Have you read the book Ignited Minds by APJ Abdul Kalam ji? In that he tells one story. I will tell you that story to you. Abdul Kalam ji, as President of India, he used to visit so many schools. अब्दुल कलाम गारू प्रेसिडेंट గా చాలా స్కూల్స్ కి వెళ్ళేవాడు ఆయన बहुत सारे स्कूल को जाते थे और भाषण देते थे. Once he has visited a school in which one girl of the 6th standard, she stood up and asked Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, अब्दुल कलाम जी, आज अखबार में मैंने पढ़ी हूं कि असम में बाढ़ आया है, అస్సాంలో వరదలు వచ్చాయి. There were floods in Assam. So many people, they got inundated. Many people were washed away and there was total devastation in Assam. There is so much of water in Assam. My mother every day, she walks 2 kilometers to fetch one pot of drinking water for us. మా అమ్మ రోజు 2 కిలోమీటర్లు వెళ్ళి ఒక కుండలో మా కోసం నీళ్లు తీసుకొస్తుంది. You are President of India. Can you get that water from Assam to my home? You are President of India, no? Can you get that water which is in excess in Assam? Excess Assam में जो भी ज़्यादा पानी है, can you bring it to my home? वो पानी को मेरे घर में आप ला सकते हैं? आप President of India हैं? Then Abdul Kalam started thinking. Abdul Kalam started thinking. Why not we join all the rivers? Where the idea has come from? The idea has come from a 6th standard student in a small place. So this is what is called creativity. So children, my request to all of you is always keep thinking creatively. Always keep thinking creatively. So become creative in your life. Become creative in your life, then definitely you can get Nobel Prize for the nation. We are all waiting. We are all waiting since 1929 that somebody will get Nobel Prize for India in the field of science. In the field of science. India was number one. India was number one in the world. It was number one in business. How do you say that India was number one in the business in the past? Any idea? Because he said India was number one in the past. Is there anything that you have learned from your history and say that India was number one in the economy? So my answer for this particular question is, whenever there is something good or something great in that country, many people go there. Many people go there. Why many of the people are going to America? Because they are finding good universities there. So that's why many people are going there. Do you know how many foreigners have come or had come in search of India? How many people, foreigners, had come in search of India? Who had come to India in search of India? Columbus, actually, he started in search of India and he landed up in America. So he wanted to come to India, but he lost his way and finally reached America, and there he found some people and he named them as Red Indians. He named them as Red Indians. He thought they are Indians, but they were red in color, so he started calling them as Red Indians. He thought it is Indians. Who is the other person who came in search of India? Vasco da Gama. He also came in search of India. Is there any other person who had come in search of India? There are so many persons who had come in search of India. Finally, who reached? Vasco da Gama reached Calicut, and that is how they found India. Kerala, Calicut is a place in Kerala. He reached there. Okay, so this is what was India. That you have to contribute for the well-being of the nation. That individuals had. So what we have learned. Another thing what you need to do is you have to add value to your life. To add value to your life. अपना जीवन को हर दिन कुछ नया नया सीखते हुए आपका जीवन को बहुत बढ़िया बनाना है. ये बच्चों का है. This is what we need to do. Every day you have to add value to your life. Can I tell a story about value addition? Yes, value addition. I was reading a book 3 days back. That book was about Michael Jordan. Who was Michael Jordan? A very great basketball player. He is the best basketball player in the world. There is a biography of this Michael Jordan. इसका Michael Jordan का एक biography, స్వీయ చరిత్ర ఉండింది. ఆటోబయోగ్రఫీ కాదు, స్వీయ చరిత్ర బయోగ్రఫీ ఉంది. అందులో he writes, one day father of Michael Jordan calls him and gives him one t-shirt and tells him this t-shirt's price is $1. You go to the market and sell it $500. See, now Michael Jordan has to sell the t-shirt at what rate? $500. Thinking, how can I make $1 thing into $500? Then he starts reading the local newspaper there. There was a small news item in the newspaper saying that the famous singer and dancer of United States of America, Michael Jackson, has come to that town and he is staying in a hotel. Then Michael Jordan starts running to that hotel. He goes there and starts waiting for Michael Jackson to come out. When Michael Jackson came out, he finds the small boy Michael Jordan standing there. He asks him, what do you want? Why are you waiting here? Then Michael Jordan takes out a marker pen and gives it to Michael Jackson and asks him, sir, please kindly sign on this t-shirt. ये t-shirt के ऊपर आपका signature कर दो. Then Michael Jackson puts his signature or autograph on this t-shirt. His autograph is very, very popular in United States of America. So Michael Jackson goes running to the market and he keeps it there and keeps telling, यहाँ देखो एक t-shirt मेरे पास है, इसके ऊपर Michael Jackson ने sign किया है. He tells it as $500. So collects this $500 and goes running and gives it to father. Then father becomes very, very happy and says, this is how a child has to think. You add value to the thing and the value goes up. This is the story what exactly Michael Jordan has written in his book. So if you add something to the t-shirt, he added something to the t-shirt and its value has increased. You should always add value to my life. So if you add value to your life, you will become very, very precious for the nation. We want people with high values for this nation, like what Michael Jordan has did, and you become the pride of the nation. Now, Michael Jordan is the best basketball player. Like that, students should become the best citizens of our nation. Are you ready? You will make the nation best? Yes, let us make the nation best. So, I will tell you, repeat with me. My first goal should be, because of me, my parents, my place, my district, my state, and India should get a great name. From a stage of taking autographs, I'll raise to a stage of giving autographs. ये तीनों अचीव करो आप. Achieve these three things in your life. Achieve these three things in your life, then you will be happy, your place will be happy, the whole nation will be happy, and India will be a developed nation. India will be a developed nation. India will feel proud of all of you. We want such citizens. We want such children. We want such children with such great ambitions in their lives, so that in the process the nation also becomes great. We have to make India great. भारत को बहुत बढ़िया देश बनाना है. भारत देशाला चांगला देश आपला सगळ्यांना बनवायचे आहे. We have to make people in America, people in England, people in Australia, they should say a nation should be like India and citizens should be like Indians. This is what all nations should say about India. Repeat with me. A nation should be like India. A citizen should be like an Indian. So let us work for this. Ultimate goal should be to make India the best nation in the world. Let us decide on this day with our efforts, with our sincerity, with our education, with our discipline, with our attitude, with our love for nation, we will make India the greatest nation in the world. Are you ready for that? Let us make India the best nation in the world. For Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki, Bharat Mata ki. So let us do this and let us remember Bharat Mata and let us make Bharat Mata the best in the world. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. Jai Hind. Thank you very much.